it's Suzanne, and how did you like that fun surfer music? Sometimes I just can't help myself. Anyway, welcome to another video. I am starting a new themed playlist called So This Happened on eBay. And these are going to be situations that happened in my own personal eBay business. I've been including these in my sales update videos, but thought it might be more fun just to have some short, to the point, fun themed videos about real things that happen to real sellers, in this case, me. And I enjoy telling stories, and maybe some of the situations that happened to me could help you in your eBay business. Okay, you may have seen this item in my previous sales update video, a pair of O'Neill Pabst Blue Ribbon board shorts. I paid $5.30 for these, sold them for $45 on best offer. Profit was $34.39. And here are a few more photos. You can see it says on the inside, original Pabst Blue Ribbon beer, established in Milwaukee, 1844. And here is what's left of the manufacturer's label that says Pabst Blue Ribbon O'Neill. So enough of it is there to tell what it is, and they are a size 40, which is a larger size in men's clothing. So listed that. About a week later, I get a message from a person whose name I have obscured to protect their identity. Even though they were being a jerk, I am still going to be professional and obscure part of their name. And this person says, "Bro, you are crazy if you think that someone will pay that much for overly worn board shorts." And they were not overly worn. They were in very good condition. So you can see their message was sent on June 16th at 9:37 Pacific time. So I did not even respond to this person because there's no sense in arguing. And bro, let's just see about that. How much I think I can get for these. I'm going to show you the research I did, which led me to price them in this way. Using our handy Terapeak research that store owners get for free, I put in the keywords Pabst O'Neill board shorts and went back 365 days to look at how much these sell for. The sold price range was $9.99 to $45. That's a pretty big range, but I always go in high to see what I can get. And if we look at some of the sold listings, you can see they all took place in this year, 2020. This video is being made in July of 2020, so this is a hot item. And we also see the magic words limited edition in one of the listings. So when I was doing my research, I was like, oh, that is a red flag, because it means you can often get more for an item because there were only a limited number made. The value is only going to increase as time goes on because no more are being made. So a quick Google search, I found several that had been posted on Poshmark, and again, more magic words, out of stock. So limited edition item, sold out. People don't have them. There were a few listed on eBay. Then I found this website explaining the O'Neill Pabst Blue Ribbon clothing limited edition line. And it says, the O'Neill Pabst Blue Ribbon board shorts come in two different designs. One features the Pabst Blue Ribbon logo on a white background. The other board short features PBR cans floating in what appears to be very refreshing pool water. Both are great to wear to your summer events. And this was posted in April of 2014, so 6 years ago from the recording date of this video. This limited edition item was released. Okay, so it's at least 6 years old if there's any out there. So I received a message from a buyer we're going to call Turtle on June 15th at 10 p.m. my time. You'll notice that the timestamps on your eBay messages are Pacific time. I am Eastern time. So it was late in the evening, and the person we're going to call Turtle asks, what's the waist size of the PBR shorts? So we have someone who's interested. Okay, that's great. Then I answered them they were a size 40, and Turtle replied back the next day, June 16th at 12:34 in the afternoon, my time. He says, it's confusing. The ad says 40, but in the description it says the waist is 20. Well, I replied and explained, yes, the measurements are taken with the item lying flat. So across the waist is 20 inches. You would double that for the circumference around the waist. So just explain to him how the measuring works. Okay. And if you notice, after all of that came through from Turtle, this person whose name is obscured made the comment, bro, you're crazy if you think someone will pay that much for overly worn board shorts. Probably what's happening here is this guy wants them and he doesn't have the money to buy them, or he's a seller and he's sold them and did not get nearly what I'm asking, because I put my asking price at $59.97 because there was another pair that did sell for that, and I was just trying to gauge what the active listings were asking. However, Turtle submitted an offer of $45 a few hours later, which I accepted. So there's the proof. Bro here, yes, they will sell for about that amount. So my answer to Bro is yes, I guess I am crazy because I do think someone will pay that much for overly worn board shorts. The moral of the story here is don't let people rattle you about your pricing. Do your research and be confident. The right buyer will come along. And just ignore the trolls on eBay that send these kinds of messages that your pricing is outrageous. You don't have to answer their messages. You don't have to engage with them. Be the professional and just ignore that, because Bro is obviously not my customer in this case for whatever reason. He thinks they're overpriced, but Turtle did not. $45, and he was totally happy with them. Here is his feedback, and another sale closed. Everyone is happy. So do your research and be confident and trust the system that the right buyer will come along. Thanks for watching, and have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.